friends, welcome back to P.s. by HannahMarie, a plain and simple place to talk all things clean beauty and lifestyle. Okay, so today, you probably already have guessed it from the title of this YouTube video, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the April Detox Market box. I know I've said this quite a few times, but the Detox Market box is probably my favorite green beauty subscription box. They have just, especially like a more like moderate price as well for like a monthly box. It's pretty affordable, especially for what you're getting, because it's incredible value, and all of their boxes have literally been on fire, like so good. Their products, the value, the brands, everything has just been incredible. Like, I've just been blown away. So anyways, I'm excited because I've been able to try new brands that I've never tried before as well. And I love that you're able to, I love that there's so many incredible clean beauty and green beauty subscription boxes that you're able to try new brands, try products, at a very low price for the incredible value. And so the Detox Market is definitely one of those subscription boxes that I really, really have been enjoying. So let's get started with the unboxing of this box. I've already taken a little sneak peek and I'm pretty thrilled. Okay, so this is the detox box. This is how it comes. Super cute. I realize this is, I think, my first YouTube video unboxing of the detox box. Normally I do them on my IG stories, which I still might, I don't know, I'm still kind of, now that my health is doing so much better, I'm still trying to figure out whether I'm going to be doing blog posts or YouTube videos or just IG or a little bit of both or whatever. So, but today we're going to do this on YouTube. So out it comes. The box is always super cute. Okay, so this month's box is featuring Indie Lee. This is a brand, I've only tried one of her products, I think only one of her products. And that's the squalane oil. It's supposed to be very great for acne-prone skin. So each month the box will come with kind of like a little bit about the maker and the founder. So this is Indie Lee, and I really like these cards because it's fun, because they have a little bit about the maker of the products, and then on the opposite side it shows like a Q&A with them, so you get to know them a little bit more and you get to kind of like meet them. So that's really fun. I love that they do that. And then on the other little card, it'll talk about what's actually in the box, the value, how to use it, all of that. So this month's box comes with 2 products and then a sample product. But a pretty, oh wow, yeah, pretty generous sample though. Okay, so let's start with this product first. This is the Indie Lee Daily Vitamin Infusion, Repair and Rejuvenate. So I'm going to show you the packaging up close because I love it. It's super simple, recyclable. So Indie Lee is cruelty free as well. This product is to help soothe and brighten the complexion with a ceramide enriched daily facial oil. Rosehip and avocado oils protect, vitamins A and E help rejuvenate, while vitamin C promotes more even skin tone. Rosemary leaf extract and sugarcane derived squalane ensure skin is left supple, smooth, and beautifully nourished. So this sounds really, really lovely. The packaging is beautiful. It's glass, it's got the little dropper. So let me see, I'm gonna put a little drop. So it's very lightweight. It doesn't have much of a scent. It's pretty subtle once you put it on. I don't really smell much. It feels really nice on the skin though, and kind of gives a little bit of that glow. So this product alone is worth $65. That's incredible. Like, it's already well over the cost that you're paying for this box. The next full-size product is the Daily Skin Nutrition Nourish and Bright. So again, it's the really nice simple packaging. Let's look at the card that talks about the product. So this is the Daily Skin Nutrition, and this is actually an $80 value. So they created this to be like a very gentle hydrator for daily use. It says why we love it. This everyday moisturizer is your new not so basic basic. The light lotion is formulated with squalane, rosehip seed, olive, and avocado oils to nourish, while vitamin C and hyaluronic acid brighten and plump. So those are the two main full-size products. Again, I love the glass packaging. Lastly, we have a sample, a very generous size sample of the Rosehip Cleanser, and this is what it looks like. This mild cleanser to whisk away the day with a light lather and a delicate scent with rosehip seed oil, red seaweed, and vitamins A, C, and E. Skin is left supple but never stripped. So I'm looking forward to trying this. So those are the 3 products included in this. Again, this is an incredible value for these products. I will leave all the links and details to this box in the description box below. If you've tried any of these products or Indie Lee before, please let me know, because again, this is like my first time. So I'd love to know your thoughts as well and what your favorite products are by them. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't, so you can stay up to date with upcoming videos. I will see you all next time.